We'll guide you through how to fix plugged-in earphones or headphones not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this problem can be really annoying because you're trying to go and have the sound coming through the headphones or earphones. This could be music, it could be trying to watch a video, and it's just an annoying problem because then you can't go and use them and you have to have it playing out loud, and maybe you're in a quiet situation you need to use them. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss the method that goes and solves the problem for you. So make sure it's this full guide. And without any further ado, let's go and get started. So first of all, what you want to try doing is coming to where the earphones or headphones are plugged in. And what you're going to do is simply just go and unplug them like so and go and replug them. Sometimes the iPhone may just be a little bit glitched and it didn't go and detect they were plugged in. Go and see if you go and plug them in that now when you go and play some sound, if they're going to go and come through them. If they still aren't working, the next thing you're going to want to do is you need to go to the top right of the iPhone to where the battery and Wi-Fi icon are, and you want to go and drag down. Now, what you're looking for is this bar here. This is the volume bar, and you can see the headphones. If I go and unplug them, you're going to see it changes just to a more speaker icon as it's playing from the speakers. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that that is shown there. If it isn't, don't worry. We'll get another fix that in a moment. But what you can try doing here is increasing the volume. And what you can also try doing is changing the output as well. So you can come to the top right here, and where you see the headphone icon, you can tap, and another output may be being used. So just make sure that the headphones or earphones are selected. You can see here the earpods are selected, which is good. And so after you try increasing this and it's showing up here, go and try listening to music and sound and see if it's now working. Now, if you find that it still isn't, what you want to try doing is you want to go and check the port. So if you're finding that the headphone icon isn't appearing when they're plugged in, go and check the port and also go and check the plug as well. There could be something on the cable, or the port, I should say, that is stopping the connection from working properly. So just go and inspect that there, make sure there's no dust or debris. Often when you put these in your pockets, you can go and collect things in there. And do the same thing on the iPhone port as well. Just go and inspect it and make sure there's no debris or anything in there which could go and stop the connection from working. Inspect the port and try blowing to go and see if you can go and get anything out. Sometimes it's just a bit of dust or debris in there or lint, which gets picked up from when you go and put it in your pocket. So go and see if that will then go and solve it. If you still find that it isn't, it's worth performing a restart on the phone. So what we can do here is press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. Keep this held down. Shortly, it's going to go black. You can see that it's now gone black. And then what you can do is you can go and release when you go and see the Apple icon, and then it's going to go and starting again. So go and wait. It shouldn't go and be much longer. And you can try plugging in the headphones again, and hopefully now they're going to go and be working. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos. Have a great day.